You've probably heard of mRNA vaccines. They're widely credited with saving millions of lives during the COVID-19 pandemic. But did you know that mRNA is only half of the vaccine story? On its own, mRNA is rapidly degraded and inefficient at entering cells. To be useful, it needs to be packaged and delivered, and that's where lipid nanoparticles come in. So what actually are LNPs? Think of them as nanoscale parcels that wrap up RNA or DNA, protecting it and delivering it into cells. This wrapping is made of 4 components that self-assemble into a lipid monolayer outer shell, encasing an internal structure of reverse micelles. It is inside these micelles where oligonucleotides, things like messenger RNA, small interfering RNA, or CRISPR-Cas9 components can be safely packaged. LNPs hit the big time in 2020 when they were used as delivery vehicles in COVID-19 vaccines. In these vaccines, mRNA coding for the spike protein found on SARS-CoV-2 virus particles is packaged into LNPs. The LNP shell protects this mRNA and delivers it into cells, where it is translated into viral protein. Cells regularly present a selection of the proteins they make on their surface for the immune system to check. When the viral spike protein is added to this display, it triggers an immune response, but no infection. So then, when your body encounters the SARS-CoV-2 virus for real, it knows exactly how to deal with it. The great thing about this vaccine system is that by simply replacing the mRNA with a different sequence that will make a different protein, you can rapidly produce a new vaccine to provide protection against a different virus. mRNA vaccines are now in development for a whole range of viruses, including common respiratory tract infections such as RSV and influenza. But why stop at viruses? While they may be the most well-known application, COVID vaccines weren't the first medicine to use LNPs to deliver therapeutic RNA. The first-in-class designation goes to a small interfering RNA drug approved in 2018 to treat a rare neurodegenerative disorder. So what other illnesses might we be able to treat with oligonucleotide-loaded LNPs? The answer seems to be nearly everything. Research is underway on using LNPs to treat illnesses ranging from metabolic disorders to cancer. For example, LNP-delivered mRNA that codes for the enzyme OTC is being trialled in individuals with mutations in the OTC gene that result in enzyme deficiency. Without the enzyme, ammonia cannot be converted to urea for excretion and builds up to potentially fatal levels. It is hoped that providing cells with the RNA needed to make the enzyme will restore the urea cycle and prevent ammonia from reaching toxic levels in affected individuals. In cancer research, there are several therapeutic avenues being explored. LNPs have the potential to deliver mRNA coding for tumour neoantigens to stimulate an immune response against the tumour, deliver siRNA against overexpressed oncogenes that drive tumour growth, or carry mRNA to restore the tumour suppressive proteins that are lost during cancer development. Across so many areas of biomedical research, the opportunities provided by these tiny lipid packages are expanding, with the millions of lives saved during the COVID pandemic hopefully just the beginning.